So you take 2 small balls of the dough, okay, this much. It's a little smaller than what you take for a chapati. So take 2 equal sized balls, okay, dust it in the flour, with the flour, and roll out half of the chapati, so to say. Don't roll the full chapati, just half of it, and take the other one and do the same thing. Roll half of the chapati, okay. Let it be a little bit thick because you're going to roll it afterwards, after you have put the stuffing. So, and dust it properly with the flour so that it is helpful to roll out. So, and this is like, I have taken a small portion of it and added salt to it. I haven't added salt to the whole of the mooli, only a little bit, the one that I need for one paratha. And then I take the other one and put it over it, and I spread it with my hands, okay. I spread it with my hands as much as I can, and then again dust it with the flour, and then I'll roll it with light hands. It should not be with heavy hands, it should be with light hands. And you keep rolling it towards the side, not in the center. Roll it towards the side, okay. And if you see that, you know, because you're doing it for, like, you're a beginner and you would not be able to do it well, then wherever little bit of, you see that the mooli is peeping out and there is a risk of your roti being torn or your paratha not rolling well, you can add some dry flour to it and keep on rolling it with light hands. Initially, if you want, you can add a little less of mooli so that you can roll it well, and gradually, when you're in the practice of making it, you can increase the filling. So this is how you can roll it out and put it on the hot girdle, the tawa, and you can just let it stay where it is. And see, I'll show it to you. How do you cook that? So you can take any oil of your preference. I've taken olive oil. You can take any oil of your preference. And then when you see that the color of it changes on this side, you can flip it and do it carefully. There might be a chance that it might stick to your girdle, your tawa. So first see that it's all free from all sides, and once you're confident that it is and you can flip it, only then flip it. See, you have a little bit of it done on this side. Wait for the same thing to happen on the other side. You might see my atta a little dark in color because I use multigrain atta, so it has lot many things, so it does not have that color, the white color, the whitish color, but it would be of darker shade of your atta. Now and you can press it a little, because while you're pressing it, I'm showing you one, and you can prepare it the same way, and by the time it's being done here, you can roll the other one. But because I'm just focusing on one, so I want to show it to you. So this is the reason why I haven't rolled the other one. Otherwise, you can roll the other one as it goes. Now, if you see it's been done here, now you apply the oil. If you want to apply ghee, you can do that. Butter, whatever suits you. I use oil, so I'm putting oil on one side, and very quickly you do it on the other side as well. Okay, so that it would not. So here it is. See, it's come out so well, and it's all crisp. So you can make the other parathas like this as well, and it will taste yum. I guarantee it. you'll make that more frequently after you've seen this video of mine, and you're going to relish it as much as I do eating the mooli parathas. Thank you friends. Bye.